A very good morning to all of you. Welcome in my class. So students, we have almost covered the whole syllabus. So this was our last chapter and it was activity based or project based, you can say, as I have given you one activity based on this chapter, that is grow one plant in your home garden. Take a click of that and send it on my WhatsApp number. So that is your activity. How from the chapter keeping our earth green. How can we save our earth? How can we keep our earth green, clean and green? Now, the last topic that is left from this chapter is how to save wildlife. That is on page number 159. Let's start how to save wildlife. What we have read in this chapter is we have read about the importance of trees, how to save trees, importance of wildlife. Now, our last topic is how to save wildlife. Now, let's start. How to save wildlife. Wildlife is the plants and animals that exist in that live in forest, that is wildlife. Now how can we save it? Because wildlife, it is also important to create, maintain a balance on nature, in nature. So how we should control it, how we should save it? Wild animals are in great danger of becoming extinct from the face of the earth, mainly due to the reckless human activities such as mining, destruction of forest for creating cities and towns, and hunting and killing of the animals. Nowadays, what is happening? The animals, they are decreasing day by day. They are becoming extinct. Extinct means they are vanishing from the nature. How they are becoming extinct? They are extinct. There is a word called extinct. It is written in paragraph. Extinct means totally khatam ho jana. That is called extinct. One word is endangered. Extinct animals and endangered animals. Endangered animals are those animals, उन्हें बोलते हैं जो खत्म होने की तादाद पे हैं, कि खत्म होते जा रहे हैं. That are endangered. Extinct means that are totally vanished, खत्म हो चुके हैं. That are extinct animals. Animals, they are decreasing day by day, they are dying day by day. How? Due to the human reckless activities. Human की reckless activities के कारण, humans जो एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं आजकल, वो वाइल्ड लाइफ को पूरा खत्म कर रहे हैं. हाउ दे आर किलिंग एनिमल्स? दे आर किलिंग एनिमल्स सच एज माइनिंग. माइनिंग मीन्स अर्थ में से कुछ निकालना, जैसे मेटल्स निकालते हैं. सो वी आर डिस्टर्बिंग द नेचर. नेचर को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. अर्थ से निकालोगे तो फॉरेस्ट काटने पड़ेंगे. फॉरेस्ट काटोगे तो एनिमल्स दैट आर लिविंग इन द फॉरेस्ट, दे विल डाई. Destruction of forest for creating cities and towns. So nowadays what is happening? Cities and towns, they are increasing in the distance. वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. And for their space, उनको space चाहिए, तो space के लिए क्या हो रहा है? Forest, they are being cut. उनको कट किया जा रहा है फॉरेस्ट को. एंड इफ फॉरेस्ट आर बीइंग कट डाउन, द एनिमल्स हु आर लिविंग इन फॉरेस्ट, दे विल डाई. फ्रॉम वेयर दे विल गेट फूड? They will not get the food to eat and they will naturally die. And hunting and killing of the animals. Some people, they are fond of hunting the animals. They like hunting. शिकार करना उन्हें पसंद है. And they are killing the animals for their. Now, first point, how to save wildlife is, trees are the natural homes of many animals such as monkeys, squirrels, birds, sloths, as well as insects. We should therefore save trees by preventing their reckless cutting down. We should also avoid clearing away of forested areas. Now I am telling you that most of the animals, they live in the forest where there are too much of trees. They have food to eat over there. But nowadays we are cutting down trees without thinking anything, and animals, they are naturally dying. And we should also avoid clearing away of, we should not cut down trees so that the wildlife is not disturbed. अगर कट भी कर रहे हैं तो we should grow in place of that. उनकी जगह पे और उगाने चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, हंटिंग एंड किलिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स फॉर देयर बॉडी पार्ट्स शुड बी बैन। Most of the animals, they are hunted or they are killed for their body parts, because leather is made from the skin of the animals, so that is why they are killed. So man, it is he is killing the animals for his own sake, for his own profit. We should also avoid using things made from animal parts such as fur, skin and tusk. This will discourage the hunting of wild animals. Now, why hunting is done? Hunting is done to make several things from the parts of the animals. I have told you, leather is made from the skin of the animals. From the leather, footwears are made, purse, that handbags, they are made. Next, fur skin, fur of the animals, it is used to make the clothes. फर क्लोथ्स को बनाने के लिए यूज की जाती है. एंड टस्क, टस्क what do you mean by tusk or ivory? Tusk and ivory, the same meaning. Tusk are the teeth of elephant. That is tusk. Many things are made from the tusk. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो एनिमल के टीथ से बनती हैं. So that is why it is hunted. इसलिए एलिफेंट को किल किया जाता है, so that the things can be made from the tusk. The some bangles, they are made from the tusk of the elephant. Sorry. This will discourage the hunting of wild animals. Now, what is the point over here? Here the point is we should ban the use of the things that are made from animals. जो एनिमल्स की स्किन से या उनके किसी भी पार्ट से जो चीजें बनती हैं, हमें उनका यूज नहीं करना चाहिए. If we will reduce the use of these things, then there will be no hunting and there will be no killing of the animals, and they will survive and there will be proper balance in the nature. It will be maintained and no imbalance will be created in the nature. So this is how we can save wildlife. Now I've told you, I'm telling you some words that are important. Two words I have told you. One was deforestation. It means cutting down the trees. Next was afforestation. These are the important words you should know. Means growing of trees. That is afforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees in large numbers. Afforestation means growing of trees in large numbers. So this chapter is totally complete. We will not do the bookwork question answers. This is project based chapter and it will not come in your exams. You will only get the marks of the activities that I have given you. So let's recall what we have done in this chapter. First, we have done about the importance of the trees. What is the importance of the trees? Trees, the roots of the trees, they hold the soil and prevent soil erosion, and there is no removal of soil if trees are there. Trees, they release water vapor from the leaves, and what is the function of that? With the water vapor, the surrounding, it becomes cool. Trees, they give us oxygen that we breathe in, and that is very important for our survival. If there are no trees, no oxygen will be there and no life will exist on earth. So this is the importance of trees. Next is we can make many things from the trees. Furniture is made, paper is made from trees, houses, wooden houses that are made. Next is how to save trees. How to save? First point is afforestation should be there. Growing of more trees should be there. If we are cutting one tree, we should grow 2 trees in place of it. So this is how we can increase the number of trees on earth. We should celebrate the days like one Mahotsav day. That is, it should be celebrated all over, so that all people, they grow trees and there will be greenery on the earth. we should not waste paper, as paper is made from the tree. We can reuse the paper, reuse कर सकते हैं पेपर को. अगर reuse करेंगे तो there will be less cutting of the trees. Next is importance of wildlife. I have told you what is the importance of wildlife, that animals that live in plants, they take their food from the plants. Small animals, then large animals, they take their food from the small animals, so they create a chain in the nature. There is a balance that is created. अगर एनिमल्स ही नहीं होंगे तो देर विल बी प्लांट्स ही प्लांट्स हो जाएंगे. दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड फॉर द अर्थ, एंड totally disturbance will be created on the earth. Next, how to save wildlife, that I have told you. कैसे हम wildlife को save करते हैं. Trees, they should not be cut down. Trees नहीं कट होने चाहिए. अगर trees ना होंगे तो animals they will die. No hunting of the animals should be there. No killing of them. हमें जो प्रोडक्ट्स उनकी स्किन या किसी भी पार्ट से बनते हैं वो यूज नहीं करने चाहिए. अगर हम उनका यूज डिक्रीज करेंगे then there will be no hunting and killing of the animals. So this is all about keeping our earth green. So bete complete your activity and send it to me on Saturday.